Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use team builder teams in franchise, right? So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, load up your game and then go to creation center and then download center, right? And then what you need to do here is to download a team that you want. So for example, let's download Desert Wind and then press download. And once download is completed, what you need to do here next is to go back, go to franchise, then go to enter franchise. Then you need to press, as you can see here, we need to wait for a couple of seconds, create league, then select a play online solo or multiplayer. Be sure to select this option. Then let's go to weekly NFL roster. Then let's select week 1. And then what we need to do here next is to select the team that we want to change. And as you can see here on the bottom, it says I need to press Q to replace with team builder teams. For you, if you're using PS5 or Xbox, may be different, but just hover your mouse on whatever team you want and then press Q. Then select team. So for example, this one. And as you can see here, your team is in the franchise, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.